Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Bitdefender account settings for device authorization control step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Bitdefender application. Launch the Bitdefender program by clicking on its icon. Once the application is open, navigate to the bottom left corner of the main dashboard. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, find and select account. Here, you will see various options related to your Bitdefender account. Look for the section labeled Device Authorization. Click on Device Authorization to view the current authorization status of your devices. If you need to authorize a new device, click on the Authorize Device button. A prompt will appear asking you to log in to your Bitdefender account. Enter your email address and password linked to your Bitdefender account. After logging in, you will see a list of devices associated with your account. Select the device you want to authorize from the list provided. Next, click the Authorize button next to the device name. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the device has been successfully authorized. Review any additional settings or preferences related to device authorization if necessary. When you have completed your adjustments, click on Save. Close the settings menu and return to the main dashboard. Make sure your authorized devices are displaying the correct settings. Your Bitdefender account is now set up for device authorization control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.